Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll show you how to easily create a smooth car wheel spin effect in After Effects. Let's get started. Begin by duplicating your original clip, and to stay organized, rename this layer to wheel. Next we need to mask the wheel. For masking, I'll be using Mocha AE. If you don't have Mocha, you can use the Roto Brush tool for precise masking. In Mocha, select the ellipse tool and mask the wheel as smoothly as possible. Once that's done, enable perspective and click the track forward button. When the tracking is complete, click Save and close Mocha AE. Back in After Effects, under the Mocha effect, expand Matte, and click Create AE Masks. This will convert the Mocha mask into a native After Effects mask on the layer. After that, you can safely delete the Mocha effect. Now apply the CC Radial Blur effect to the wheel layer. Change the type to Rotate Fading. Next set both the amount and quality to 100. After that, apply the Twirl effect. At the beginning of the clip, click the angle stopwatch to add a keyframe and set the angle to positive 90 degrees. If the car is facing to the right, set the angle to negative 90 degrees instead. Next move to the end of the layer and change the angle to 0. Let's quickly preview the spinning effect. It looks fine, but we're getting some issues with the masked wheel during the spin. We can fix this very quickly. Press M on the keyboard to reveal the mask settings. Reduce the mask expansion to around -15, then increase the feather slightly. Let's set it to 5, and there we go. The wheel is now fixed and looks clean. Now that the effect is ready, it's missing one last detail: smoke. I'll use a smoke clip that I downloaded for free from Production Crate. You can also download it for free using the Google Drive link in the video description. I'll adjust the smoke and trim the beginning, since it starts too late. Once the smoke VFX is ready, I'll fix the anchor point and move it just below the smoke like this. That way, if we change the scale or any other property, it will affect the smoke from the correct position. Right now the smoke doesn't look very clean with the spinning tire, but we'll fix that shortly. First I'll track the wheel so it matches perfectly. Select the original clip and solo it so we can see only the original video with no effects applied. Next in the tracker panel, click Track Camera and wait for the analysis to finish. Once it's done, select a few points on the wheel, right-click them, and choose Create Null and Camera. Now unsolo the original clip and the tracked null layers. Move the wheel layer above the track null, and make sure to enable 3D on the smoke layer. To make sure everything is perfectly tracked, select the track null layer, press P on your keyboard to reveal the position property, and copy it. Then select the smoke layer and paste the position value. This applies the exact tracked movement to the smoke, keeping it perfectly locked to the wheel. Now scale the smoke layer and adjust the rotation and position until it sits perfectly with the tire. Let's quickly preview it. It looks fine, but as I mentioned earlier, the smoke doesn't blend very well with this effect. We can fix that and make it look much better. First let's make the smoke a bit larger and reposition it so it fits the tire better. Next we'll remove the unwanted smoke. Select the pen tool and mask only the area where the smoke should be visible. Once the mask is created, press F on the keyboard and increase the feather to around 20 to smooth the edges. Then preview the result to see how it looks. And here we go. The smoke now looks much better and fits the wheel nicely. We can also apply the curves effect to the smoke layer and darken it by adjusting the shadows, midtones, and highlights. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed it, please give it a like.